Hello, let's continue on with Zero Time Dilemma. We just got the first Q team ending. I believe it was called QN1. I'm gonna shoot for QN2. Let me see. Where do we do for DN1? Yeah, let's do DN1. It seems pretty quick compared to the others. So, to do that, we need to go here. Actually, what do we got in the flowchart of things? Oh boy. Lots of stuff. I think we're like maybe halfway through the game. I'm assuming there's lots of stuff going on over in this part of the map. Okay, so we're gonna do Q team. This one. Wait, back. Is it the right one? Yes, it's the right one. More Q team stuff. The super dysfunctional team. Radical 6.
Huh? Why? Nope. It won't even budge.
Ah! The hell is that?
Formaldehyde solution with
a pig.
It's okay, Mira. I'm right here with you.
We're in the biolab, right?
So there's a bunch of biological research here.
Jeez, this place is really creepy. Why is something like this in a bomb shelter?
Maybe the builders thought to be prepared for some kind of pandemic.
Pandemic?
An infectious disease that hits on a global scale. It's like a sudden deadly virus outbreak.
Maybe this place is an isolated location for researching all kinds of viruses like that.
Oh, okay.
Or
I don't know, maybe like
Zero put it
COVID-19?
here in order to do something to us.
Like what?
Like maybe taking the ingredients and cooking all of us a nice meal.
Ugh.
But isn't it too early for dinner?
It's been 4.5 hours since we fell asleep in the lounge.
4.5 hours. They knocked us out for quite a while.
No, not necessarily. We could have woken up a bunch of times during all that, but if Zero erased our memories...
Of course, we wouldn't remember.
No.
What's this?
Slash the pig's stomach.
Okay.
Whoa! For real? Would that mean that we...
Probably.
Why? Why do we have to do something like that?
I have no idea, but it's not like we really have a choice, do we?
There's no way to leave. We're just gonna have to do what he said.
Seek a way out. Seek a way out. Of course. Beakers. Green liquid beaker. Hold on 1 second. A jiru in Japan. It's green like this. It's named from an old way of calling vegetables green plant. It tastes super bad. How do you know stuff like that? Just who are you really? It's a popular color in nail salons. Researchers note, they must have been doing research on cells. Careful examination of the green and pink liquids reveals two different cell structures. Separating the liquids results in different colors. One thing is clear after inspecting the separated liquids under the microscope. The cell structure is unique for each color. It fell out. I barely touched it, I swear. Did I break it? Maybe we can use it for something. Take it. Weird hole in it. Septagon. Or heptagon. Oh. Cover of century. All right. Set dial to A to mix the liquid. Oh, hey, a knife. Sorry, Piggy. Fanatic Bio R. The incubation period for this virus is extremely short. Mortality rate is 100%. Symptoms include blood erupting from the body, then death. Microscope lens. Alright. No clue, maybe because pigs eat anything. What else? Power cord. Okay, it's PS2 power, well, non-grounded power cord apparently. It's a power cord. When it came out of the pillow, it looked like intestines. So disgusting. I sneeze. Alright. Wonder what this cord's for. Is this a paper? Fanatic Bio R, never heard of it. Alright, let's see. Oh hey, power room one here. The thin hole on the side here. Nothing. Maybe the knife? Long and thin? Yeah, let's try it. Yeah, it fits perfectly. The analyzer's on. I can't believe using a knife on the lever actually worked. Me neither. If we take the knife out, we can still use it. Oops. The blade broke off and now it's useless as a knife. Idiot, look what you did. Damn it, how are we gonna cut the pig open now? Sorry, I didn't mean to pull so hard. Damn it, it's all over. Zero's gonna kill us now. It's done is done. The analyzer's still on. At least, we'll find another way. Alright. Guess we put the liquid in. This is an analyzer, right? Alright, cool. A hint for it. Huh. Yep. Oh, we gotta go to the centrifuge. No. Blue? It's blue liquid. I thought blue blood ran through veins when I was little. Yellow test liquid too. You serious? Red and white. It's red liquid. It kind of looks like blood. I'm not so sure about this. White. Do you really grow taller when you drink a lot of milk? Let's make sure no one tries to drink this accidentally, okay? We have a microscope somewhere in the room. Alright, blue are in pairs, looks like. Groups of 5. Groups of 3. And whites are singles. Okay. And we'll lose next time. What do we got here? Oh, another one of these. Alright. Yeah. Okay. Feeling fairly confident about that one. There we go. Wait, how does this even fit? Okay. Alright. Are you still taking children's cough syrup? Are you? You aren't still. Capsules. These capsules, he's not telling us what we have to take them, is he? If we mix them with something, they'll give us a clue. These pills, I wouldn't want to take. What did they say? Capsules, what do we need these for? Are we supposed to take them? I don't really like capsules. They have to be cherry flavored. Wow. Alright, those are all broken. Oops. Seahorse. Butterfly. Penguin. Back. UV. Orange, white, blue, orange, blue, white. Orange would be yellow and red, blue, and then white. Where's the centrifuge? There it is. Orange. Orange. Blue. White. Oh hey, a human fetus. Specimen cylinder. It looks like there's a human fetus inside. Fetus? A fetus? What's wrong? Why are you turning your head away like that? Yeah, well, Eric, why are you turning your head away? This is a human fetus specimen. I think it died before birth. Oh, I always think too much about these kinds of things when I get all sad. Are you crying? And if he is? Alright, we got a screen here. Let's see what we got on it. 5 symbols with 5 different colors. All different. It could be a hint. 1 is a yellow bird. 2 is a pink shark. 3 is a white dragonfly. Screenshot. Orange sun? Blue human. Alright. I think I've seen these. I know they're referring to the specimens on the shelf. Fish, plant, insect, bird. Fish, plant. Fish, plant, insect. Fish, plant, insect, bird, and human. Alright. Back. I think we're supposed to. Nope, back. Back. Alright, we're supposed to be over here, I think. Alright, I guess we gotta put the fetus over here. Alright. Let's rearrange some positions, man. Alright. Oh hey, what do we get? A fingerprint authentication device? Do we have to prove our identities now? What if the exit opens if we do? Let's just try it out. How'd that hurt? I thought it was just a wanted a fingerprint. What is this? Just for a trap? Damn, I'm bleeding, that hurt. What's the sound? Maybe that means we passed authentication? Alright, let's go to the sink. Get out of the sink. Sink is this way. Oh hey, you can move. Oh hey. Alright, move the two together. Okay. Pig burst out of the jar. Pig and formaldehyde, it's gonna smell bad. It's kinda hard to cut when you're holding it, huh? It's pretty heavy, so I don't think we can. Can we put it in here? Ugh. Some of the knives broken. Just chill, Eric. Let's just look for something to replace the knife. Hey, a scalpel. It's very sharp. It's mostly used for dissections, right? Just the idea is making me sick. Let's open the pig. There's a trick to it. Oh, so clean. Does your family own a farm mirror? Something like that. Now let's see what's inside this thing. You found it. What did I find?
An unfortunate creature.
Zero.
17 years ago, a woman died. Her chest carved open with a sharp object.
Eric's mom.
That pig back. What difference? That woman was alive. Her heart was still beating as the organ was crudely carved out of her. A male suspect was quickly caught. He must have planned to escape via taxi, as he called one before his capture. The police arrested him before he was able to utilize the waiting vehicle to flee the scene. Instead, a genius surgeon climbed inside. He was heading to a hospital, a seriously ill patient awaiting his arrival for life-saving treatment. However, the taxi got into an accident before reaching its destination. It collided with a large truck. The resulting was horrendous. Sadly, as a result of this accident, the driver and surgeon died, as well as the young boy waiting for surgery. Life is truly unfair, don't you think?
What is the point of him telling us this story?
It's just some kind of act, right? Probably doesn't mean anything.
I'm not sure.
Now then, let's begin our game, shall we? The rules are as follows. The pig's stomach you cut open contained 3 syringes. Each of them is filled with a specific virus called Radical 6.
Radical 6.
This virus is special. It awakens a desire to kill oneself, among other things. Once infected, Symptoms appear as early as 10 minutes, or take up to 2 hours. And the host soon finds the urge to commit suicide irresistible. The mortality rate is 75%. Transmitted through liquids, it's highly contagious. Oh yes, I believe you located a set of documents during your search of this room. A set of files on FBR, the Fanatic Bile R virus. The mortality rate of this virus is 100%. Infection results in blood erupting from your body, then death. An antagonistic relationship exists between Radical 6 and FBR. If you were to be infected by Radical 6, it would be cancelled out with the addition of FBR, and you are unaffected. Conversely, injecting Radical 6 into you after becoming infected with FBR will cause them to destroy each other and leave no adverse effects on you.
So, a single virus is toxic, but using the other as a vaccination provides an antidote.
Now, here's an important piece of information for you. I am what you'd call a clairvoyant, one who knows the future.
And why is that?
What is he talking about?
I don't know.
If I had foreseen that you would all choose to inject Radical 6 at this moment, I would have made sure to coat FBR on the fingerprint authentication device for you. Meaning, you'd already be infected with the Fanatic Bio-R virus.
That device over there?
Oh, I do remember feeling something when I touched it. Like a prick.
So we were all stabbed by a poison needle?
On the other hand, if I saw that you were not going to inject yourselves with Radical 6, then I would be sure to leave the needle clean. That way, you would not become infected with Fanatic Bio-R.
Wait, what? What are you saying?
I'll say it once more. If all of you plan to inject yourselves with Radical 6, you already have FBR. If you are not going to inject yourselves, then you are not infected right now.
Hold on 1 second, I gotta take my dog out. Okay. There we go.
In either case, you being saved is a foregone conclusion. There's no reason for you to worry about the situation. What will you do now? Inject yourselves with Radical 6, or refrain? It would be best to consider carefully. I will say that your decision is already made.
I didn't.
So wait, do we even need to choose?
Huh?
If what Zero told us is the truth, then the outcome will be the same. If we inject ourselves with this Radical 6, we're already infected with FBR. So they destroy each other and we're fine. And if we don't do it, that just means we weren't infected with FBR in the first place.
But what if it's a lie?
What if?
He's saying, what if he's lying about being psychic? Well, if you think about it, the likelihood that he's lying is incredibly high.
So
Most
then,
likely.
what do we do? What the hell do we do?
Welcome to the most ineffectual group in this game. A child man, and a psychopath. Well, considering I'm trying to get to a specific ending, I'm going to choose don't inject.
Maybe we shouldn't.
Yeah, right?
Care to share your reason?
After everything, the issue isn't if Zero can see the future or if he's lying. It's just like Eric said, if Zero does have that power, then it's the same either way. That means all we need to do is think about what happens if he doesn't have powers. The important thing to determine is if we're actually infected with FBR.
So you don't think we are then?
No. In fact, a virus called Fanatic Bio-R existing in the first place is very suspicious.
Radical 6 sounds just as fantastical.
No. There's no doubt that Radical 6 is real.
Oh yeah, from the previous game, it is definitely real.
Well, it could be that Zero wants us to become infected with Radical 6. But instead of doing it himself, for some reason he's unable to.
So he needs us to do it ourselves then.
Hey, what the?
The door!
It opened.
Let's get out of here! If we're too slow, then the door might up and close on us.
Wait, Eric!
Of course, Mira's gonna take some.
Hey, Mira! What are you doing?
Mira's quite the lizard-brained psychopath.
We must have been right not to inject it. I still feel okay, and more importantly, the door opened for us.
There's still another possibility, you know. That Zero really does have the ability to see the future.
If it's true, then we would have been right if we had injected the needles too.
Hey, did you tell the truth earlier?
About what?
About Radical 6 being real.
Oh, yeah.
How do you know about it?
Well, I'm not sure.
Did you get any more suspicious?
I know what I know, okay? I can't help that.
So why not share? Tell us more about this Radical 6 virus.
More. I'm not even sure where to start.
How about its name?
Oh, that's easy. Aside from triggering intense suicidal impulses, Radical 6 causes the infected's thought process to reduce by 1√6. Therefore, when 1 second passes for them, the world has gone through √6 seconds, or roughly 2.45 seconds. There is also the word radical. Aside from meaning things like extreme, it can also refer to a radical root. Get it?
So that's why it's Radical 6.
But is it really possible for thought speed to be slowed down like that?
Yep.
Play the previous
infected,
game.
through changes in DNA methylation and histomodification, gain epigenetic mutations in the control mechanisms of their genetic expression.
Dude, your vocabulary is far surpassing your age bracket.
Engines.
Wait! Could you maybe simplify that, please?
Oh, the body's composition changes as a genetic switch is flipped, more or less.
A genetic...
Switch?
Let's try this. A common scientific thought until now was that parental characteristics didn't transfer. Recent research has changed that. We now know that they can be by flipping certain genetic switches. Well, regardless of what kind of experiences the parents had to go through, their DNA blueprints won't change. But within that expansive DNA coding, the question of what should be read seems to change based on experience. The change becomes especially apparent when the parents' lives are in danger.
Like maybe if someone was trapped in a shelter and forced to risk their life.
So, if Eric and I did the horizontal tango right now, the baby might end up psychic.
What?
Anyway, so if Radical 6 really does flip the genetic switch... Hey, are you listening?
Yeah. So, you're basically saying this Radical 6 virus is super dangerous, right?
Yes, there's no doubt it is. So, Zero said earlier that Radical 6 transmits through bodily fluids and is highly infectious. If someone infected with the virus was to go outside, then mankind, 6 billion people, will die.
6 billion?
Playing this game in the time of COVID-19 is a little A little interesting.
Now announcing the current casualties.
Okay.
C-Team, Carlos, Akane, Junpei. These 3 are now deceased.
Only 3?
As a result, 3 X-passes will be revealed.
And they are.
Crash, 5. That is all.
Fire Crash 5.
What the hell? C-Team is dead?
It's obviously because of the vote.
The vote?
At 13:30.
Then... But wait, did everyone from C-Team really die? We haven't seen their corpses or anything. They might still be alive.
No, Eric, they're not
No.
alive.
They're dead. I'm sure of it.
Why?
Because
Because...
He's right. I don't think they're alive.
You too, Mira? What do you think, old man? C-Team's gotta be alive, right?
Old man.
What are you doing, Eric? He's not gonna answer you.
Hey, you don't know. Maybe he...
can speak?
Now it is time for you to sleep.
0.
When next you wake, know you will have no memory of these past 90 minutes. Pleasant dreams.
Alright. It's been a while since we've had a gas out. I'm gonna go ahead and save. Back. And let's see. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and stop the stream here. I gotta start making dinner and a couple phone calls to make, so yeah, we'll pick this up probably later tonight and hopefully reach, wait, which endings do I have? T and 1 seems to be a pretty short path to take. I just gotta take this path, so we'll see. How are we looking on the flowchart? Man, probably should finish out these. This is eject radical 6. That's a different decision we can make. Yeah, those are the things. Basically, kill other people, inject radical 6. That leads us to press button or don't press button. Suppression, the healing room. And remember, there's stuff down here. All right, I'm gonna leave it there for right now, and we'll return later. All right, bye.